everyone, Judy here and welcome back to Bisaya Word of the Week series. Today is supposed to be our last love phrases word for word series, but I decided to break it down into two because it is quite long. So there will be a part 5 of this. So in the part 5, please don't miss it. I will show my face there. And I will also have a very important announcement for you guys who have, for my students in Cebuano 101. Okay, so for today, we are going to continue with our love phrases word for word series. This is part 4. Let's start. I don't like you. Dili ko ganahan nimo. Dili ko ganahan nimo. Dili ko ganahan nimo. I don't like you. Dili is don't, or not, or no. Ko is I. Ganahan means I like or like. Okay. Nimo, it's you. Okay, when you pronounce, guys, for those people who are coming from western side of the world, you usually pronounce nimo like this. Nimo. Don't put the W at the end when you pronounce it, okay? Just nimo. Nimo. Not nemo. Okay? For example, ko, not ko. Ko. Nimo. Ko, nimo. Alright? Okay, so maybe just keep practicing until you omit that W at the end when you pronounce it. Okay, so just keep it up, guys. Let's move forward. I like you as a friend. Ganahan ko nimo, isip amiga or amigo. Ganahan ko nimo, isip amiga or amigo. I like you as a friend. Ganahan, like. Ko is I. Nimo, you. Isip, us. Amiga or amigo is friend. I'm crazy about you. Boang kaayo ko nimo. Boang kaayo ko nimo. Boang kaayo ko nimo. Boang means crazy. Kaayo here is actually added to make an to emphasize that the person is really crazy about about the other person. Okay, so basically kaayo again is really or very. Okay, so next one is ko, which is the I in this I am. Then nimo is you. Gimingaw, I miss you. Gimingaw ko nimo. I miss you. Gimingaw ko nimo. So gimingaw means miss. Ko is I. Nimo again is you. So we are going to add already in this phrase. So I miss you already. Gimingaw na ko nimo. So you just add na to emphasize that you miss him already or miss her already. Gimingaw na ko nimo. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Ayaw ko biya-i. Ayaw ko biya-i. It's like you are pleading the person not to go away. Ayaw means don't. Ko is me. Biya-i from the root word biya means leave or to left. Okay. Ayaw ko biya-i. Don't leave me. Are you jealous? Nag-selos ka? Nag-selos ka? Are you jealous? Nag-selos ka? Nag-selos, it means jealous, okay? Okay, ka means you. Okay, in this case, we are not using nimo for you. So, because you use ka as focus marker, and then nimo when it's non-focus. When you are asking the person directly, you use ka, not nimo. Okay, because it will give you a different meaning if you use nimo. So if you want to dig more on that, check out my ka versus nimo video for more details. Next one, don't fool me. Ayaw ra gud ko atika. Ayaw ra gud ko atika. Ayaw ra gud ko atika. Don't fool me, okay? Ayaw means don't. Ragud, okay? Ragud, it's added to emphasize emotions of the speaker. So it is like, please stop fooling me, okay? And the person's a bit irritated already when the person say, ayaw ragud ko atika. Okay? The ko here is me, atika, from the root word atik. It means fool or fooling around or playing tricks or like that. You're not being serious. Atika. Next, you're very special to me. Special kaayo ka nako. You're very special to me. Special kaayo ka nako. Okay, special is, you know that. And then kaayo, it's very. Ka, it's the you here in you are. And then nako is to me. Okay, nako is to me. Special kaayo ka nako. Next, I have feelings for you. Na ako'y feelings nimo. I have feelings for you. Na ako'y feelings nimo. Naa means have. Koy, it's actually ko, but again I'll discuss that in another video when you add y after ko. So koy, it's I. Feelings, we know that. And then nimo, it's you. Na ako'y feelings nimo. Next, that was just a joke. That was just a joke. Atik ratu uy. Or joke ratu uy. Atik ratu uy. Joke ratu uy. So that was just a joke. Atik ratu uy. So atik means joke. The ra here is just. To is that. Okay. Uy, it's, uy, we add that to emphasize our emotions. Okay, next we have, so I am just a joke to you. So, joke ra di ay ko sa imo? So joke ra di ay ko sa imo? So I am just a joke to you. Okay, let's break this down. Joke, we know that it's joke, you're kidding, you're fooling around. It is quite common here in Cebu for a Cebuano to repeat words. Like for example, this one, joke. Another example will be atik, joke, goryo-goryo. And sometimes you will notice that in our names as well. For example, Christine, the nickname usually for Christine is Tintin. Okay, Tintin. Okay, so I will talk about that in another video. It's part of the culture of the Filipinos, basically Filipinos, not just Cebuanos. So it's common for us. Okay, let's proceed. The ra here is just. And then diay. Okay, diay is actually so. Okay, sometimes it is indeed, but in this case it is so. Next we have ko. Ko is I. Sa is to. Imo, it's you. Okay, so why not use nimo? Actually, imo is a shortcut to nimo. Okay, we omit the letter N. Why? Maybe because of the presence of sa. Okay, if you want to use nimo, you may say it like this. Joke ra di ay ko nimo. Okay, so you can see the difference now. Okay, now let's go to another one. I'm serious about you. Seryoso ko sa imo. So you can see here also that because of the presence of sa, we are not using nimo here. Okay, we're using imo. Why we omitted N, I really do not know. Maybe because it sounds weird and the local people from long time ago omitted the letter N. In short, that's how it is. Okay. Right. Seryoso is serious. Ko is I. Then sa imo, about you. Okay. Next, we have I will cut to the chase. Dili, nako, mag-goryo-goryo. Okay, what is goryo-goryo? Goryo-goryo is actually a word invented, I would say invented by the new generations, okay, by the youngsters. It means that, you know, stop hitting around the bush. Goryo-goryo is like you are not serious, you're just happy-go-lucky, sort of like that. Okay? Dili means no, not, or don't. And then again, mag-goryo-goryo is hitting around the bush, okay? You're not being serious and you're just happy-go-lucky person. So, dili nako mag-goryo-goryo is actually, I will cut to the chase. Basically, dili nako mag-goryo-goryo is just, I will cut to the chase. I will be direct with you, okay? I won't be hitting around the bush like that. That's it for today, guys. I hope to see you again in the next video. Please keep studying, keep practicing, just keep swimming, okay? See you. Bye-bye.